How to enable add music feature in WhatsApp status on iPhone. To enable the add music feature in your WhatsApp status on iPhone, you will need to ensure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. WhatsApp introduced the music feature in 2025, allowing users to add music directly to their WhatsApp status. And here is how to enable and use it. First of all, open the App Store in your iOS and Google Play Store on your Android. Now, in the search address bar, simply type down the WhatsApp and search for it. Now tap on the WhatsApp and make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp because there is music available for the newer versions. Now once done so, simply launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now tap on the status tab and all you have to do is tap on the camera icon or plus icon available there and add a new status. If the feature is available in your version of WhatsApp, you will see a music icon next to the text options in the status creation screen at the top. Tap the music icon to open the music selection menu. You will see a list of available songs for WhatsApp Music Library, and you can choose the part of the song you want to add to your status. And once you have selected the song, you can preview it and tap done and then send to upload it to your status. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.